Since the inaugural Absa Cape Epic in 2004, the event has spearheaded programs that give back to the sport of mountain biking and to the communities it touches. In 2012, event founder Kevin Vermaak announced the race's new official development partner, Exxaro, a JSE-listed company and one of the most diversified mining organizations in South Africa. Exxaro is a key figure in transformation and in changing the demographics of mountain biking as a sport. With an illustrious history of successful endurance athletes, it's clear that South Africa has latent talent. Exxaro's initiative is to harness it by enabling disadvantaged riders to participate and excel in the Absa Cape Epic, and also inspire mountain biking in their communities.
It will be the third time this year for Exxaro mountain biking to participate in Absa Cape Epic. So yeah, we have done 2 of them. But we produce very good results for those 2 years.
The next evolution of this noble program includes the Exxaro House. It's a safe haven facility that provides a structure for Exxaro riders to live in and train to fine-tune their preparation for the rigors of the Absa Cape Epic and to compete for the prestigious Exxaro jersey. It's also a place where the young residents learn vital off-the-bike skills that they'll use for the rest of their lives.
The Academy have changed my life, like from the life that I used to have since I arrived in Pretoria in 2010, which is like I arrived as a person that was coming to look for a job. But currently, lucky enough, because of liking cycling, I end up falling into the Exxaro MTB Academy's hands. And it's such a great lucky to be in this house because of this lot of things that the Exxaro is putting through, not all about mountain biking, all about life, which is all about the education backgrounds that they're doing, helping people to go to fulfill their schools and all that stuff. And you know, in this lifetime, it's very difficult to find such an academy like this, to have a proper place to stay, you know, where you're staying. It's very safe and all that stuff. It's not dangerous. And even though that, not forgetting even with the sociality with people, which is like you in with a team where you stay with your friend, with your teammate. Every morning when you talk to him, you ask him, how do you feel? Can you go and train? You see, it's like you've got a better communication that you used to have before, because of you used to go and pick him up in his place and all that stuff. But actually Exxaro put everything together to get us in one roof, which is what they've done, and I'm really, really happy about with the house that they've provided to us. It's such a very great thank you from them.
Well, it means a lot because we get supplied by many things. Namely, one of them is the ride education. That's one of the important things that they're offering us. I'm rewriting my matric. If it wasn't for them, I wouldn't be having this opportunity to go back to school and rewrite my matric.
While the Exxaro initiative provides a nurturing environment to live and train in, the mentors of the program set extremely high standards, pushing the riders hard to achieve the best possible results and reach their full potential, not just as athletes, but as young adults too.
So first year it wasn't really great, but last year we produced very good results. We got our guys in top 50, so which is good for our academy. So there also other guys also, they get motivated about that. So this year we aiming top 20, so we see it can be possible.
The Exxaro House is just the beginning. With a successful model such as this, who knows what the future could hold? Ask any Exxaro rider and they'll tell you, it's certainly bright.